So we all had to learn something. Structuring your online course is as simple as learning the alphabet and then filling in the letters. Okay, so we start with point A, and we're going all the way to point Z. We're gonna talk about this, that's the structure of your course. That's what we're talking about today.
2-day shipping. We have a free masterclass for you, which we're super excited about. That some of the things that we're going to be talking about today is inside that masterclass.
There's
so
2 of us.
Go and click down, get instant access. We will see you there. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing. Let's jump into this video.
So this is the point A. This is the point Z. Okay? This is how you structure your course. Your learners start where, Hector?
They start where?
The point A.
Yeah.
Okay? And then they go where, Hector?
To the where?
The point Z.
Point Z.
So what happens when you take the point A of your learner and you combine it with the point Z, Hector?
This is where your learner transforms, what we like to call the what, Johnny?
The learner transformation statement.
The LTS. The reason why we absolutely love the LTS and why, in order to structure your online course, you need to start with your LTS is because it gives you direction on how you're going to create your course so your learners transform. One of the biggest problems with online courses is that people just develop content and like spaghetti, they throw it against the wall, hoping and seeing what it sticks. That is not how you create an online course. You need to figure out what transformation after taking your course, how your learners are going to transform. Before taking your course, they're here, and after taking your course, they're there.
And all the other letters are what we call milestones. So
milestones.
There's all these, letters that they have to hit along the way. These are all milestones. So the rest of the letters, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so forth, are your milestones, okay? Your milestones. So that's the second thing you need to know when we are structuring a course. So your milestones bring your learner from A to Z.
Because we are breaking it up. Remember, we don't want to create a 15-hour course or a 3-hour course or a 1-hour course and just throw it at them. We want to break it up into, think of it like a book, into chapters, into milestones that your learners, as they're transforming, they are also making it through the most important aspects of their journey.
And then within milestones, we're going to have a bunch of like sub points, okay? So all these like mini lines or sub letters, however you want to look at it, these are what we call modules. Now, this is our naming conventions. Everyone else has their own. Everyone has their own. So this could be a lesson. This could be a unit. This could be a chapter. But how we're talking about it is you have your LTS, that's your learner transformation statement, that's your A to Z journey for your learner. Then you have milestones that get them there, and then you have sub modules or topics that support your milestones.
I am a visual person, so think of it this way. This is your book, this is your chapters, and these are the subunits within those chapters.
Subsections, yeah. And then the last thing that you want to look at when you are creating your course is you need to have action steps. And what this means is that within this journey, you need to be asking your learners to do something. And you're not asking them to do something like traditional learning, like, hey, go do your homework. No, it's whatever your goal is. So like our goal for our course, for our masterclass, link below, check it out. Check out our free masterclass below, is to teach you exactly how to build and launch your course and where to start. So our action steps in that are things that you need to do in order to achieve your goals. So we ask you to do things that are extremely valuable to you, not just because we want you to do something to see if you learned anything. No, that's not how it is. Action steps need to be action-based that get you to the Z.
We have another video for you that we want to check out, all about how to set learning objectives within your course to make sure that your learners are tackling those goals through action. Please go check it out right over here. Thank you so much again for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.